If you are anything like me, then you know what it's like to be staring into the fridge, wondering what to create. Well, with ChatGPT these days, this issue is no longer a problem. So in my fridge currently, I've got some chicken, spinach, eggs, and cheese. So we just put that into ChatGPT. Very simple. Let it come up with, what have we got here? Spinach and cheese stuffed chicken breast with egg topping. That's interesting, just egg topping. Not something I've heard of before, but why not? Give it a go. Something new, something different is always good. So now we might, geez, it's quite the recipe. Once that one's done though, we can then alter the recipe by asking for something gluten-free. Create a gluten-free recipe using chicken, spinach, eggs, and cheese. That does that. You do not need to use all of these. What am I doing there? Ingredients. Can you suggest in each recipe? Is it just me, or is chat going very slow today? Okay, so I think we get the point there. I don't know why we're moving so slowly. We'll stop that generation though. But you can see it's come up with a gluten-free dish. So now, you do not need to use all of these ingredients in each recipe, but can you suggest 3 different ways to use these ingredients? Let's give it something different. Steak, broccoli, cheese, and tomato. Oh, maybe it's my spelling. Steak, broccoli, cheese, and tomato. Steak, broccoli stir fry, fantastic. I'm a big fan of my stir fries. So you can see here, you can just so easily have a look in the fridge, see what you've got, and chat can literally just help you out in seconds. Well, generally in seconds, but today we are moving extremely slowly. So from there, you can change the serving sizes of the meals. So to serve, so adjust this recipe to serve 4 people instead of 2. Let's specify which recipe. Adjust recipe 3 to serve 4 people instead of 2. So we just use a different prompt there, and it's going to change all our serving sizes. Now you might have some extras that you have in the fridge or the pantry that are always there. So you might want to add a couple of things. You've also got some rice and some garlic that you'd like to use. So let's see what it comes up with here. What can I add to this recipe if I also have rice and garlic? Now it's going to come up with a new dish with our extra ingredients. So as you can see, it is so simple and easy to do. You'd never need to spend, well, for me, I was going to say hours, but not quite hours, but you don't need to stand in the kitchen for 10 minutes trying to come up with ideas. Find out what you've got, throw them in the ChatGPT, and you will have some fantastic recipe ideas in no time. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please hit the like and subscribe. Subscribing does help out the channel, and obviously you'll get access to, or you'll get notified whenever we drop new videos. So thanks again, have a good one.